Hello and welcome back. Today you can be proud of yourself for showing up to your healing journey. Over the past few days, we have embarked on a transformative journey, beginning with understanding and accepting our pain, and then transforming that pain into a source of personal growth and meaning. On the third day, we learned about the all-important concept of finding happiness within ourselves. And now, as we continue on this journey, we reached another milestone, a crucial step that we will name rebuilding self-confidence. Going through a separation or breakup can often lead to feelings of insecurity and can cause us to question our self-worth. In the aftermath of such an event, it is not uncommon for us to start doubting our abilities, questioning our attractiveness, and undermining our value as individuals. This is why the process of rebuilding our self-confidence is such a crucial part of our journey towards healing. But what is self-confidence? At its core, self-confidence is about believing in ourselves, our abilities, and our worth. It's about accepting ourselves wholeheartedly, embracing all our strengths along with our weaknesses. It's about acknowledging our worth, ensuring that we do not let anyone or anything diminish it. Rebuilding self-confidence, and it is important to note that, is not about trying to become someone else or trying to fit into an unrealistic ideal. It's not about pretending to be someone we are not, but about embracing our true selves, nurturing our growth, nurturing our strength, and accepting our weaknesses. It's about setting healthy boundaries, pursuing our interests and passions, and taking care of our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. So today, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on your self-confidence. Consider your strengths, your achievements, and the qualities that make you unique. I want you to recollect the times when you were proud of yourself, the times when you overcame challenges, and the times when you surprised yourself with your abilities. These moments are all testaments to your strength, your resilience, and your worth. So as always, to guide your reflection, I will suggest you some questions. So feel free to pause in order to write down the questions, and then you can reflect on them later. So question number 1. What are some accomplishments or achievements that you are proud of? These can be big or small, recent or from the past. So what are some accomplishments or achievements that you are proud of? Question number 2. What are some qualities or strengths that make you unique? This could be anything from your creativity to your leadership skills, from your kindness to your determination. So, what are some qualities or strengths that make you unique? Question number 3. Can you remember a time when you faced a daunting challenge and overcame it? How did you feel in that moment? And what did you learn from the experience? So, can you remember a time when you faced a daunting challenge and overcame it? And how did you feel in that moment? And what did you learn from the experience? Question number 4. What are some actions you can take starting today to nurture your self-confidence? This could be anything from setting healthy boundaries to pursuing a passion project. So, what are some actions you can take starting today to nurture your self-confidence? And finally, question number 5. How can you practice being kinder and more accepting of yourself? So this could involve challenging negative self-talk or practicing self-care regularly. How can you practice being kinder and more accepting of yourself? Allow yourself to delve deep into your self-perception and explore how you can nurture and grow your self-confidence. Remember, as always, there's no right or wrong answer here. This is your journey, and your experiences are unique to you. The goal here is to uncover your strengths, your achievements, and your worth. It's about recognizing and acknowledging your value, and most importantly, believing in yourself. As we close today's session, I want to leave you with a powerful quote from the renowned American author and poet, Maya Angelou. She once said, "You alone are enough. You have nothing to prove to anybody." Let me repeat that one. You alone are enough. You have nothing to prove to anybody. This quote serves as a potent reminder that you are enough just the way you are, and you don't need to change for anyone, and you don't need to prove your worth to anyone. So let's begin the process of rebuilding your self-confidence. Let's believe in yourself, and let's use this belief to guide you on your journey to healing. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow as we conclude our journey with the final and crucial step of moving forward. Until then, I'll see you in the next meditation. Take care, be gentle with your heart, and remember, you are not alone in this journey. Bye for now.